Hello students, because of the sound problem I could not upload the video last time. So let's move to the next term or topic, that is instant messaging. It is a form of communication over the internet that offers an instantaneous transmission. So student, don't forget to write this term instantaneous, as because it is based on the instant service provided. So there are several features that this software offer, that is sending text message, audio and video calling, audio and video conferencing, message history for future reference, transferring of files, all these. Now instant messaging software are of two types: application based and web based. From this student, you have to just go through the examples. Okay, now next, for creating an instant messaging account, just go through once. You need not have to learn this. Go through the filling the blanks and short questions. Now there are few rules for chatting, like use short message, do not use all caps, give people time to respond, respect others while chatting, properly ending a conversation. All these are the rules and etiquettes while chatting. Now next important term is blog or web blog. You have to write a small notes on this, because it is a blog is nothing but a online diary. It is a personal web page, you can say, where you can easily share comments, thoughts and convey message about any events, news, etc. The person who maintains a blog is called bloggers. Okay, now creating a blog accounts, this email, password, username is required, that you need to know. Now you must know you have to go through the popular websites that offer free blog service. Then here offline blog editors, this also, these three also you have to know. Now next is online transaction. Dear student, you all are aware with the fact of online transaction nowadays, as because most of we are dealing with this. So it is nothing but buying or shopping online, or paying via credit card, debit card, or via internet banking. This is all about online transaction. There are several popular transaction websites like IRCTC, Flipkart, eBay, Redbus. You have to know for which purpose these separate websites are used. Now e-shopping, most of we nowadays shop via online, and that is online shopping. There are several sites like Jabong, Flipkart, Snapdeals, Amazon is also there. So these are the popular sites on which we shop nowadays by paying online or offline or cash on delivery. So shopping online, it is said to be e-shopping. Next is the steps is given for how to shop online. Okay, after that, confirm order and this. Now e-ticketing is booking or cancelling ticket of train and flights through online. So now there are lots of benefits we can avail via online nowadays. But since in the meantime, there are various demerits, or we need to keep our data secure also. For that, internet security is there, so that no other can use our data illegally. For that, best practices for security is use short password, backup your data, do not share your personal information, install firewalls, then clear browser cookies, use antivirus and anti-spyware software, so that no virus get affected in your machines. Now you have to write a small note on antivirus, and you know the names of the antivirus also, so that you must be able to write about this. Now student, from here you have to do all the questions from B and C. No need to write the long questions, just write the question from B and C, and the different and the that sticky and toggle key difference also you have to write. So this is all about this chapter. Next chapter I will start, and I will send you before your next class, as because we are lying behind. So I'll try to complete our syllabus, so that we can complete our syllabus of the midterm. Okay, thank you.